lesson on balancing chemical equations. Today, we'll be balancing the equation for the reaction between calcium and water. Let's start by writing out our unbalanced equation. We have calcium plus water yielding calcium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Now, let's count the number of atoms for each element on both sides of the equation. We'll create a table to keep track. For calcium, we have 1 atom on each side. For hydrogen, we have 2 on the left and 4 on the right. For oxygen, we have 1 on the left and 2 on the right. To balance this equation, let's start with oxygen. We need 2 oxygen atoms on the left to match the 2 on the right. We can do this by adding a coefficient of 2 in front of H2O. Now, let's recount our atoms. Calcium remains unchanged. For hydrogen, we now have 4 on each side. And for oxygen, we now have 2 on each side. Great! We've successfully balanced our equation. The final balanced chemical equation is calcium plus 2 water molecules yields 1 calcium hydroxide molecule plus 1 hydrogen molecule. Let's break down what this balanced equation means. On the left side, we have our reactants, 1 calcium atom and 2 water molecules. On the right side, we have our products, 1 calcium hydroxide molecule and 1 hydrogen molecule. This balanced equation ensures that we have the same number of atoms of each element on both sides, following the law of conservation of mass. And that's how we balance the chemical equation for the reaction between calcium and water. Remember, the key is to ensure that the number of atoms for each element is the same on both sides of the equation. Practice with more equations to become proficient in balancing chemical reactions. Thanks for watching.